Hi guys, welcome back to Arizona Rock Garden Designs with me, Julie E. And if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome. I am using up the last of my leftover paints. These are all mixed with mixed pouring medium, and you can find that at www.carpada.art. They are mixed 2 parts paint to 6 parts mix. Now you can mix your mix 1 part paint to 7 parts mix if you choose. I am going to try and do a little experiment. I want to see if I can get the lacing that I get on when I use my blue medium. But I want to see if I can get it with mix. And so we've just got a cheapy little Dollar Tree canvas. And these are nice to experiment with. And if they come out decent, they still look really nice hanging on a wall. And like I said, it's an experiment. So these are perfect for those. Alright, first we're going to lay down our black. And this is just the Artistloft Flow Black from Michaels. You can see, really nice. Gets a nice line. A little bit of a mound. Yeah, a little mound on a mound, which is fine. Alright, so that's going to be our base color. That is about all we need. Alright, I am going to fast forward you through this part because it's boring. And we'll come back when I'm done. Okay, now what we are going to do is lay some colors down. The first one we've got is Pearl Pink Tulip. Like I said, these are all Arteza. Next is Pearl Amethyst Purple. This is Pearl Pastel Green. This one is Pearl Olive Green. Pretty. That one seems a little bit thicker than the others. This one is not an Arteza. This is a Rust-olieum Metallic Accents in Black Garnet. I mixed it with Artistloft Copper to brighten it up a little bit because it is a very deep dark red. Alright, now what I want to do is, this is our base coat, and I want to thin it. So I'm pouring some of it in here. Now I want to make this thinner than all the other paints on here. So we're just going to add a little bit of water. There we go, that's better. Okay. This is just the lid off of an old gelato or ice cream pint, so I'm going to pour that in here. See if you can see that. There we go. And when we're done, we can pour it back in this cup. For now, I would like it right there. Now, these are cardboard off of old boxes from the kitchen. There's a saltine. And I use these to swipe with. So let's go ahead and start. I like to round mine a little bit, just a little bit. It's easier for me. And I'm going to get some paper towels lined up to help wipe off the excess paint off the card before I dip it back in to my swipe color. Okay, get these over here. There we go, that'll be easier. Alright. Yeah, just set it in there, drip it off both ways, and then come across. I'm not seeing any lacing yet. We'll give it a second. Yeah, I am not getting any lacing. You can see I put quite a bit of water in that too, but it's still not giving me the effects I was hoping for. Now, this was our same black. I'm just going to add more water to it. Move all this stuff out and we'll give it a spin. See what we get. I know we're not getting the lacing I wanted, so that kind of bites for me, but it is pretty. I like that. got a really cool design. Got a cool painting. Yeah. Not the lacing I was hoping for. Yep, not gonna put any more of the thinned out black on here. I don't like the way it looks. I don't know if you can see it, but it really looks like it broke down. So, all right. I like that. That is pretty. Sides are all pretty too. Okay. We'll leave it there. Let it dry. And you will see the results in the morning. Hey guys, we're back with the dry results of our mix experiment. Trying the swipe, seeing what kind of reaction we get, see if it got any of the lacing in the cells. We didn't get that, but we got a pretty painting, very shiny painting. So very pretty, and I can use this to practice embellishments on and check out different coats and varnishes and stuff. So yeah, lots of cool stuff. Airbrushing. Who knows what this will become. This one's pretty. I didn't get the results I wanted doing the pseudo swipe with all the pretty lacing and everything. I still don't know how to get that with the mix pouring medium. I'll figure it out somehow. But yeah, that is going to become something really pretty. Okay, till next time guys, loves and hugs y'all. Bye.